And here we go. Jinu is going to love his blue shirt.
Yes. Boys also love pink color.
Yes, they also love pink color.
And girls also love blue color.
Yes.
Sometimes boys love blue color.
Yeah.
And sometimes girls love pink color.
Yes. Every color is beautiful, right?
Yes. Not even black.
Black is also very beautiful color.
But not a color.
Yeah.
I was just joking. Mama,
Hmm.
I think I should do his shirt rainbow.
Ha 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 ha. I think he will not like the rainbow colors in his shirt.
I think he will like rainbows.
Which shape you are coloring?
Square.
Square. Okay. So here you have created a pattern and it looks beautiful, Amaira.
Yes, I'm coloring all of the color patterns.
Okay. Now which color you are going to use?
Yellow color.
Oh, nice yellow color. Okay, now which color you are going to use next?
Skin color.
Again skin color? Amo, tham. Now which color you are going to use next, Amaira?
Orange color.
Okay, and here we go with the orange color.
Orange and orange. Orange fruit and orange color. Matches with both.
Yes. is looking fantastic. Wow, what a choice of colors you have. Hey Amaira, what color is the next color?
Dark pink.
Okay, dark pink color. Let's go.
Dark pink and light blue makes dark purple.
That's a nice information you are giving to the kids, Amaira. Very nice. They will also learn about new colors.
I mixed dark pink and light blue. It turned into dark purple.
Oh, that's nice.
Mama,
Hmm.
can I color this part pink?
Yes, you can do. It will look beautiful.
Okay.
And Jinu will also love pink color. See? Very nice. Now, which is your next color, Amaira?
I will think of it.
Okay.
Done.
Oh, dark blue. You have created a pattern and it is looking very beautiful.
I will always do pattern.
And it should be with different colors.
Yes.
Okay. Got
Like
it.
zigzag,
Hmm.
heart circle,
Okay.
square, triangle.
Careful. There is a little yellow button. Okay. Now what is our next step?
You will see.
Sure, I want to see.
Light blue.
Okay. Amaira, do you know Jinu's song?
No.
You don't know? Oh, I know. Soda Pop, right? My little soda pop.
And I know
which is the Huntress song?
Golden.
Oh, yes. It is so beautiful.
And one more. Jinu song, Your Idol.
Okay.
And hundreds think about her shadow boys.
Okay. Okay, are you done with the blue color?
Yes.
And which is your next color?
Now I'm going to color pink color. Mama, what is this part?
This is inner part of the shirt. You can color it same.
Like this?
Yes. Amaira, at first I did not like that idea of doing different colors on this shirt, but your idea is looking amazing in reality. Wow! I also want a shirt like this, a multicolored pattern shirt.
I will buy you when I will grow up.
Sure, thank you, Amaira. You have such a good heart.
Yes.
Wow. Which is your next color, Amaira?
Red color.
Oh. Do you know my favorite color is red color?
I'm done with red color.
Okay, now which part you are going to color next?
The bushes, dark green.
Okay, let's go, Bushesh. the bushes is almost ready.
Yes. Do you know penguins also do like this?
Okay.
And then with dark green. Now I will color light green to the grass.
Okay. You are doing a good job. This is a good way of coloring.
Yes.
Now another side.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Careful. Okay, the grass is also done.
And then with light green color, now I am coloring dark blue to the sky border. And then with the dark blue to the border, now let's color the inside and outside light blue. So guys, I'm done with my Jinu. It's so beautiful. Do you like my drawing? Hit the like button and like, share, subscribe. Bye.